Well, hello, it's me again, and today we are going to be building a 3D styrofoam background for my aquarium. So I'm going to get started. Okay, I've already started cutting my styrofoam into approximately 9-inch strips, as you can see. And it's about 1.5 inch thick, and we're going to get started. Okay, I'm going to be using a wire heated styrofoam cutter. As you can see, there's a strip of wire there, very inexpensive. I put a little piece of metal there to keep it from going into the plastic, and it's just an electric wire heat cutter. Okay, I'm going to start outlining my styrofoam, and I'm going to get started. Okay, I have finished drawing my outline on the board, the styrofoam, and so now I will start my cutting process. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. And here we are with my background. I have one more side to put on because the styrofoam is only so long, and so I have to add a little bit more to the end here. I'm going to do somewhat of a cave on this end of the styrofoam. So these are all cut out now and stacked, and then I'm going to now take some silicone, aquarium silicone, and I'm going to glue them all together now. I'll be back. Okay, as you can see, it's all glued and ready to cement. I have ledges and all kind of things here. So it's all glued. It's actually 2 pieces. I may have to make it 3, but you can't really tell because I have it all put together. I have to put it in the tank in sections because there is a bar across the top of the tank, which, you know, mounts the top support. So you have to put it in sections. But anyway, I have a little cave there, isn't that cute? And then all these little ledges and everything, they're going to be torched, and you'll see that in another one of my segments. But anyway, it's going to be gorgeous. I may add a few. That little nick there is on purpose to make it look worn. Anyway, this is the styrofoam all cut and put together. So I'll see you in my next segment. Thank you. Okay, now I have painted most of it. I'm not finished, as you can see. I'm going to go take a break and eat, but I just wanted to show you some parts of it that have been painted. And it is looking beautiful. This is the first coat. It's called Buff. The cement color that I'm using is Buff, which is there. And then I'm going to put on a coat of charcoal, which is this one here. And I'm using it with a cement mortar. So there you go. And I will return soon. Thank you. Okay, now that I've cut these into 3 pieces, as you can see, so they'll fit into the tank. And I've put another coat of the Buff and the color Buff and the dry lock on here. So I'm going to let this dry for 24 hours, and then I'll come back and I'll put my charcoal on. Alright, bye. Good morning, and I'm back. I am here looking at my dried paint, and it looked like it turned out very well. As you see, I've already started. I cut out another notch here, or cave, because I'm going to have my filtration center in this hole going down through the top here. I've already cut this out, and I started putting the charcoal paint, as you see, on the top of this buff, and that's going to be my project today. I've already got all of the cutouts from the back for my filtration to go down through there, and so I'll have pretty good filtration. And I also had to alter another part of it because when I measured it in the tank, I added a couple of more pieces to this cave over here because I had to cut it. As you remember last segment, I cut it. And so anyway, here it is all dry and ready to go. And so I got a third piece that's sitting here that I was measuring. It's in the tank just to measure how it was going to fit in there. And so that other piece is going to be joined to this one here. Those two white pieces, those pieces are going to come out. That was just for the measuring. So my filtration, there's one that's going to go down through and then meet the cave down there. I'm going to make the tubes a little longer, and then this one is going to be the shorter one that's going to be in this space here that's going down through there, so that way it'll be easily removed. And anyway, I'll be back when I'm finished putting on the charcoal. Okay, I am back, and I am outside. Actually, it was such a beautiful day, so I thought I'd finish these outside. I have put my second coat on. Some of it's dry, some of it's not. That's why you see the patchy look. And then I'm going to have contrasting too. Here's the other one, looking at it from a top view, and it's looking pretty good so far. And then the third one is pretty much the first one I did, and that one is pretty good also. So I will be finishing these up with a sealer, and then we'll do the water test. Okay, I will see you soon. This is my third coat actually of the same color, charcoal. So as you see, I have one more I think I'm going to put on a little darker just to give it that rock detail. But anyway, there you go. It's looking pretty good from a top view anyway. Alright, see you soon. Okay, here we are again, and I have finished all of my coats of the mortar or the cement, and now it's been painted. It's painted with 3 different colors and the contrast that I made, and I let the light from the outdoors shine through so you can see the openings that I have put in there, semi caves or what have you. And let's get some focus here. Okay, and there you go. It looks like rock or canyon. And this is the whole thing. It's gorgeous, I think. All the caves and the ledges. Turned out beautiful. And here we are, the last one with the tunnel. Well, not a tunnel, I guess it's another cave. It will be when you see it. And those little grooves there are where my filtration is going to go. So I am very proud of this. It looks pretty good. There is a deep tunnel there, or cave. I keep saying tunnel, but cave. And then the ledges, if you can see from the top, will have plants and things like that in it. And they're pretty. So anyway, once I get it sealed, which I'll do 24 to 36 hours, I'm not sure, and then I'll fill in those, seal it together, and there you go. So I think it looks pretty good. I think I did a good job with the 3 colors. I don't know if you can really tell, but it does have the 3 colors shining through. So anyway, I will be back with the sealed product. I'm going to spray my sealer on there and let that dry for, like I said, 36 hours. And then from there, I am going to put it in the tank, silicone it to the tank back wall, and put it in water and let it soak for a week. See how it works. And if it works out very well and the paint and everything and the water's clear, then we are in business. So there you go. And it was a lot of fun, but I'll be back, okay? I will be back.